Medersa Bou Inania, the best 6 museums in Fez, Morocco. Saving the best attraction for last, 14th century Medersa Bou Inania is another theological college that could easily double as a museum. Often considered one of the most architecturally splendid buildings in the city, especially after a recent renovation, it can be recognized from some distance away by its beautiful, green-tiled minaret. The internal courtyard boasts all of the elements expected from the Marinid sultans, including carved stucco, zellij tiles, and exquisite latticing carved from dark cedar wood. Unusually, the Medersa includes a full mosque rather than a simple prayer room. Although this section of the college is off-limits to visitors, Bou Inania stands out as the city's only in-use religious building that welcomes non-Muslims inside. It is open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except during prayer times.